Hello Telegram users, want to update your public photo on Telegram? Whether for privacy or a fresh new look, I have got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now, go to settings and tap on your profile picture at the top. Tap on set public photo or set profile photo. Select a new photo from your gallery or take a fresh one. Adjust the crop, then tap save to confirm. Want to remove your public photo? Just tap on three dots at the top right corner and select delete. And that's it. Now your updated profile is visible to everyone depending on your privacy settings. What kind of profile photos do you prefer? Personal photos or avatars? Drop your answers in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.